Okay, today we're going to cover cover letters. No pun intended. So, cover letter instructions. Paragraph 1, introduce yourself with enthusiasm. Don't just say that your name is Tom. Say, my name is Tom and I'm ready to start. Okay, who are you in paragraph number 1? Tell us about yourself. What are your qualifications in paragraph number 1? Get right to the point. And why do you want to work for this company? So it's a great time to get a job, and those with a cover letter and resume are going to have a definite advantage over somebody who doesn't have a cover letter and resume. So this is made up information. This is one of my ex-students, but she said I could use this. So this other information is just fake. Okay, February 25th, 2019. In the cover letter, it is single-spaced over here, single spaces. It's in Times New Roman 12-inch font and double spaces between the headers. So the salutation is here, 1, 2, put a date, space 1, 2, your salutation here. 1, 2, start your paragraphs, and you do not have to indent. Paragraph number 1, let's see if Charlisha introduced herself with enthusiasm, told us who she was, what are her qualifications, and why does she want to work for this company. Okay, let's check it out here. My name is Charlisha Long, and I am excited, there's enthusiasm, about applying for a position with your company. I've completed my high school diploma, and I'm now looking for an opportunity to join the workforce. You have a high school diploma, maybe you have automobile experience, maybe you can fix things, maybe you have construction experience, maybe you have experience like one student said at Kroger, where she understands how to do cashier and get carts and understands that whole, maybe whatever. I'm a vibrant, intelligent, and hardworking individual who you will find an asset to your company. She is telling us who she is. If you want a team worker who is on time, dependable, with strong communication skills, and finally a loyal employee, I'm your best choice. I would love a position with your company to prove that I can help you become more successful. Paraphrase that, review the information. Okay, paragraph 2, she is going to sell herself to the employee. Why is she the best person for this job? Okay, when faced with challenges, I'm the type of person who meets problems head on with solutions. My mantra is, there are no problems, only solutions. It was my parents who instilled high morals into my everyday life and taught that discipline is greater than talent. Everyone has a talent, but not everyone. She's telling us who she is, but not everybody has a discipline to be successful when challenges arise. Today, many people rely on thinking within the box. However, I guess she's creative and thinks outside the box. It is with this creativity that will allow me to flourish as your employee. I'm not afraid of hard work, she says, because hard work and high morals are secrets to success. She's telling us about the person she is. She's not going to say that she sits around the house and plays video games and is on the internet on her phone all day long and gets mad when her mom tells her to do something. They don't want to hear all that if you're trying to get paid. Okay, paragraph number 3. Did she reiterate that she wants this job, and did she give her schedule? Okay, once again, I am ready to make a positive impact to your organization. I have already began to research your company and the requirements needed to be successful. So let's say you want a job at General Motors. Tell us, I already know what GM's about. I have family who works at GM. I've studied it. Okay, I'm ready. I know about your company already. Here's her schedule. I'm available for an interview at will and can rearrange my schedule to accommodate your needs. Thank you for your time and consideration. Sincerely, Charlisha Long. See money, Charlisha. Okay, over here, one more time, you're going to paragraph number 1, introduce yourself with enthusiasm. Who are you? Qualifications. Why do you want to work for this company? Paragraph 2, right here, you're going to sell yourself. Tell us what are your strengths, why are you the best person, persuade that employer. Paragraph number 3, once again, reiterate you want this position. Okay, show your potential employer you have done research on the job. Okay, inform your employer of your schedule and availability. So if I go back over here to Teams, I'm going to go to the assignment over here, and all those directions are right there. There's 3 items. One is a cover letter that you have to start on your own. Okay, so I want you guys to create your own typing skills. I kind of started it for you, but you kind of want to do your own cover letter. So this will be paragraph 1. This is a starter for paragraph number 2, and then this is a starter for paragraph number 3. Then just put in your 2 spaces, 1, 2, sincerely, comma, 1, 2, Giovanni Jackson. So complete this paragraph, complete paragraph number 2, and complete paragraph number 3 with these instructions right here. Okay, here's another cover letter. This is from a person I helped do this letter for. She was trying to be superintendent. She didn't get the job, but I thought she should have gotten the job, and she's the only person who got a clap at the end and the shout outs and so on and so forth, but it was a political thing. Okay, over here. She's going to start out with enthusiasm. It is with enthusiasm that I sent my application for superintendent of Carleton Public Schools! Exclamation mark. And she's going to tell us who she is and why she's qualified. My love of Carleton, proven leadership, and deep desire to make far-reaching impact as a Cavalier are just a few reasons why I've applied for this position and why I am the best fit. With more than 25 years in the field as an accomplished educator, 14 and she's given her credentials and so on and so forth. Paragraph number 2, she's going to give us more of her why she's the best person with bullet points. This is a good, I like this right here, and I like this this little colon right here because it sets off a list. Okay, my expertise lies in overseeing areas such as staff and teacher recruitment, training, financial and budget administration, communication, partnership building, and policy implementation to realize increased productivity and improved academic performance. From conceptualizing and establishing forward-thinking development plans to collaborating with teachers and administrators to achieve consensus across multiple levels, I excel at directing strategic enhancements to drive goal achievement, and so on and so forth. And she's going to give some of these highlights over here. So maybe over here, Kroger Dairy Manager, 1.2 years, and so on and so forth. District Manager Trainee, so on and so forth. Okay. Now over here, her final paragraph, she's just going to reiterate that she wants a job and when she's available. I am ready to complement the great work that has been done and continue Carleton's legacy of excellence. She's ready right now. I believe her dedication to Carleton, knowledge of our district. She's saying that she already, here she shows that she's done some research. So remember over here, you want to show that you have done some research on the job. She has done that. Okay, and so on and so forth. And that's a good one right there. So basically, I'm not going to help you on this cover letter. You have to, I did give you a starter. You have to complete this paragraph. Obviously, change this information. Change this. Paraphrase this. Here, give us your qualifications. We want some enthusiasm. I could even put a little exclamation mark there. That's personal. I like that. Okay, and over here, you're going to sell yourself. Why are you the best person for the job? Why should we pick you? And every employer is going to ask, why should we choose you? This is where you want to answer it. This is qualifications here in the first paragraph. Excitement to introduce yourself, and you're basically telling this person you want this job. Paragraph number 2 is giving us your qualifications. Why should we choose you? Tell us your qualifications. Who are you? Paragraph number 3 is essentially reiterating you want the job and giving your schedule out and showing that you know a little bit about the job you're about to apply for. Then just kind of change this information over here and you're done. All right. Well, hopefully this is done. This is going to be due next Wednesday. Okay, so get to work.